case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the case of Greene v. McElroy, heard by the Supreme Court in 1959, a fundamental test of government accountability and individual rights struck at the core of America's legal system. At the heart of the matter was an aeronautical engineer, entangled in allegations of ties to communists, liaisons with Russian embassy officials, and possession of communist literature. Long trusted by the Department of Defense, he had for years been granted security clearances to work on projects for the armed services. However, suspicion cast a shroud over his allegiances and subsequently led to the revocation of his clearance. Stripped of this vital prerequisite for his job, he found himself effectively barred from his chosen profession. The loss of his career wasn't accepted quietly. The engineer challenged this outcome, claiming a key flaw in the process. He had not been allowed an opportunity to confront or question the anonymous individuals whose accusations had led to this revocation. A transgression, he argued, against his right to due process. The confrontation clause, the right to challenge one's accusers, stands as a crucial line of defense in the U.S. Constitution under the Sixth Amendment. The lower court, however, didn't provide him his due process right to cross-examination. Following this ruling, the engineer didn't lose hope and filed an appeal to the Supreme Court. The highest court in the land took a different view and, in the end, sided with the engineer. The justices concluded that he was entitled to traditional safeguards of a fair procedure before being deprived of his job. The absence of explicit authorization from Congress or the President to use the secret reports against the engineer further contributed to the court's decision. It was decided that the engineer's case was to be revisited under these clarified principles, thus resulting in a reversal of the earlier ruling, remanding the case back to the district court for retrial. This landmark judgment underscored the fundamental importance of an individual's right to due process.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.